Want to blur the background of your videos using the CapCut app? You're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to give your videos a professional, polished look. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your iPhone or Android device, then import the video you want to edit. I have a cool video of a woman I downloaded from Pexels.com. Next, we'll add a blur effect to the entire video. To do this, tap on the Effects option and select Video Effects. You'll see a list of effects that CapCut offers. Use the search bar to find the blur effect. You'll find a few different blur options, preview them by selecting one. If you like the effect, tap it again to reveal a slider that allows you to adjust the intensity of the blur. Drag the slider to the right to increase the blur strength. Once you're satisfied, make sure the effect is applied over the entire video. Once the blur effect is applied, click the Export button at the top right corner to export the video to your photo gallery. Now, create a new project in CapCut and import the blurred video you just exported. As you can see, the blur effect is already applied. Next, tap on the Overlay button and select Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery. Find the original video without the blur effect and add it as an overlay on top of the blurred video. Zoom in on the overlay slightly to ensure it aligns well with the blurred video. This will help create a nice separation between the foreground and background for a more professional look. The final step is to remove the background from the overlay. Select the original video overlay. Scroll through the tools and find the Remove BG option or cutout if you're using an older version of CapCut. Tap the Auto Removal tool and wait a few seconds while CapCut removes the background from the original video. And that's it. Your video now has a beautifully blurred background, giving it a professional finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.